going to add text to our postcard. I'm going to zoom out to see our entire citrus. And if we press Command 0, we can zoom in. We're going to be making the text Citrus Lane Farms. So we click on the text tool or Quick Key T. Make sure we're on the horizontal. And we're going to use our character window pretty soon. And we're going to use a 55 font. They're recommending Arial Bold, so I'm just going to go with that. And we want it right aligned. So let me go ahead. Before I do that, I'm going to select the area that I want. This is going to be about right here. And we're typing in Citrus Lane Farms. And then they want us to change it, so I'm going to double click to excuse me, capitals, so that's capitals, and then a tracking, I believe, of a -25. And there we are. And we're going to have it up on the right. Our logo is going to come on the left side. So save your work. Let's start our logo next.